What's up guys? Today is Wednesday, January 1st, 2020, and we got the whole backyard racetrack all set up. But we're gonna have some races today, but unfortunately Erick's car is having a little technical difficulties. His front tires and his back tires spin in opposite directions. And so he just flipped the front differential around. So we hope that fixes it. We get some racing going. All right guys, woo, check it out. We might have fixed it. It wasn't doing that before. Oh yeah, just gotta put it back together now and we'll be out there racing. Woo! Check it out guys. Erick's got his car all set up. We're about to do some racing. Got a nice little fire going. All right guys, check it out. We're gonna start here, come down the Rover, whole shot. Come down here, make a hard left turn. Come around here, make another left, coming wide open, right out of this turn, into this double. Whoop. Over here, make another left, coming down this straightaway. Going around the fire pit. Up over the deck, another right hand turn, boom. Just one lap, what do you think?
Good.
3, 2, 1, go! I got the camera. There, right? You really just gotta. Battery like this, I have to, it's so squiggly, but if it dies a little bit, it's kind of bad.
This will slow you down, right? I'm wondering more.
You gotta use that full speed, but I also
That's what happened. Wheel wasn't tight.
just check out all the cones and the carnage. All right guys, race one was just race one, you know, it was a test. Erick's wheel literally fell off and we're gonna fix them and do it again. This GoPro, it got hit. We gotta fix this a little bit. All right, take two. What you think? We got another race in us?
I don't know. Is the light gonna hold long enough?
Yeah, I mean, we got enough light. The solar lights aren't even on yet. I think we got another one in us real quick for dinner.
Let's fix the track a little bit.
All right. 3, 2, 1. Well, everyone, for race 1 of 2020, I would say that was pretty fun. Until the next time, this is Flying 90. Courtney went rogue. Erick Biggs. I think his Instagram is Biggs805, right?
I don't know.
It's not. It's just Erick Biggs. What a great friend I am, apparently. To more races in 2020. Woo!
Smoke follows beauty.
Yeah, it does. Is that why you're smoked out always?
Yeah.
Hey.